Picture this: Maria's wedding day. Sunflowers, fairy lights, 100 guests. She's about to marry Ben, the guy who promised he'd handle everything, but secretly did nothing. Here's the red flag she ignored. First, he forgot to book the venue, and even twice. In the end, Maria's mom paid last minute. Second, he lied about applying jobs, and it was for 6 months duration. But his resume was actually just a meme folder. He slept through cake tastings, even their own engagement photo shoot. So at the altar, Maria asks Ben, "Did you write your vows?" He smirks and says, "Relax, babe. I'll wing it." But when the priest asks Ben, he freezes. Then says, Maria's great. Can we eat now?" The crowd then gasps after Ben says this. Maria's face drops with shame and humiliation. Maria then whispers, "Did you even try to care?" Ben just shrugs and says, "Weddings are just your thing. I just showed up." Then Maria's phone buzzes with a notification that says, "A $5,000 spent on gamerfuel.gg. It's a gaming website," which actually it's Ben's secret account, gaming account. Maria then rips off her veil, shoves the receipt in Ben's face, and yells, "Marry your video games. I'm done." So fast forward the story. Ben's now couch surfing. Maria then bought a dog and named Hustle and runs a TikTok series, and the TikTok series title is "How to Spot a Lazy Liar Before He Ruins Your Life." The moral of this example and story is, if his biggest effort is lying about effort, run faster than his excuses. You deserve a partner, not a project.